What's up, y'all? Thanks for coming through. My name is Kalia. You can call me Kay if you like. And in today's video, I'm sharing my eyebrow tutorial. So I like to start off by priming my eyebrows. I'm priming my eyebrows using the e.l.f. eyelid primer. And I'm just rubbing it on both eyebrows, and then I pat it in with my fingers. After my eyebrows are primed, I take my Wet n Wild pencil. It's only like a dollar pencil, so I take my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil and I just outline my eyebrows. And after the outline, I fill them in. So after I fill in my eyebrows, I go ahead and I take my spoolie brush. I make sure I concentrate on that front area to make sure my eyebrows aren't too blocky. And I just brush all the way through the eyebrows, make sure I concentrate on the front, and then I take this is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish in the color Chestnut. So I'll go ahead and take this concealer and I'm cleaning up underneath my brows using this concealer. So after you apply that concealer underneath your eyebrows, you want to make sure it is fully blended out. And now I'm taking my Black Radiance foundation stick. The color number is 6822. So I'm taking this and I am going to clean up in the middle of my eyebrows and above my eyebrows. And I use this foundation stick as a concealer, really. I use it to be my concealer that's my same skin tone. So now that I've fully blended out the product around my eyebrows, I'm going to finish my brows using this Airspun setting powder. So I like to prime my eyebrows and set my eyebrows. Doing both of these steps helps me not have that greasy, oily looking eyebrow. So to have long lasting brows, make sure you prime and set. And that's it. I am done with my eyebrows. I think they look great. If you have any tips or suggestions, definitely leave them down in the comments. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.